Welcome to naturalskincareschool.com YouTube channel. This is the official YouTube channel of Natural Skincare School. In this video, I'm going to share with you different ways to become a great cosmetic formulator. Trust me, there are a lot of trial and error cosmetic formulation on the market, and that is why a lot of people are having a lot of skincare woes, because they do not know how to make cosmetic product. They're just learning from videos they see on YouTube, and bam, they make the product trial and error, and they just sell it on Etsy. And that's why Etsy is the wrong place to buy your cosmetic product, especially if you do not know who is making it. Before you buy any product on Etsy, you want to know the profile of whoever is selling it. I have a lot of horror story of people buying product on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, from sellers that they're just doing trial and error. They're not trained cosmetic formulator. They just, they watch YouTube video on how to make lotion. They just go ahead and make it and they sell it to people. It's dangerous. A lot of a lot of skincare woes that is developing as I speak to you right now, because a lot of people are not getting trained. They are just watching DIY video on YouTube or another channel, and there's nothing bad in watching, but making product from just watching video and selling it to people should be called a criminal offense. I'm sorry if I offend you guys, but as a trained cosmetic formulator that spend a lot of money on training, not only money, a lot of time on training, a lot of years of my life on training, I've met with different clients. At least I have over 35 clients that bought product on Etsy, eBay, and Amazon, and that product destroys their skin, almost destroyed their skin. Okay, so please be careful. Do not just buy product. Make sure you know the profile of who is making that product. Okay, I personally make products. Not only do I make product like my other students, okay, I also teach my students on how to make skin safe products. I use naturalskincareschool.com to do that. I also use this channel. I put my best out there to give you tips on how to make great and stable skincare. But now, if you are not trained at all, there's danger ahead. I don't mean to scare you, but I'm telling you the truth now. If you are not trained at all on cosmetic formulation, there's danger ahead. A lot of people are in mess right now because they're making product because they are not trained. Without official training, you're in trouble. If you keep making product, now you are selling on Etsy, right? That's okay, but you're in trouble if you continue that lane. Make sure you get trained. And even though DIY, learning about making products will complement your skill perfectly. And that's why I use naturalskincareschool.com to train. A lot of my students are graduates of Formula Botanicals. They've went to different, I even have graduates from School of Natural Skincare, International School of Science, all of this big school. It's okay to pay a lot of money for it's okay, because I had my degree, I had my master's in this, I had all this in cosmetic science, so I know I spent quite a lot, more than a lot of people. So that's where mine is different. That's why people ask me, where do you train? This is what I've used several years of my life doing. In secondary school, I'm a science student. I love chemistry so much. I further my education in that line, and that's why I'm here where I am today. Now, how do I get trained? How do I become a great cosmetic formulator? I want you to please pay close attention to this. Even if you have been making DIY product for long, pay close attention to this video. It's going to change your life. On naturalskincareschool.com, I'm privileged to have trained so many students. Most of my students are now making great, I don't need to mention their name. They are great skincare brand now. They are doing well. For confidentiality's sake, even though I'm excited to mention their name, but I can't. For confidentiality's sake, I can. I'm happy for them because they get trained from the right source. So basically, these students went to, at least half of my students are from Formula Botanica. They graduated from this school. They have the basics, right? And they came to me and they joined my formulation team project. A lot of them joined my that don't really understand what they were taught there, which a lot. Right now I have close to 55 students, okay, that have no clue what they went to learn. at these online schools, and now I've brought them to a stage where, you know, explain it better to them. So that's why natural skincare school is different. I recently launched an organic formulation training course, a full course that will change so many lives. I didn't make it, I mean, just I know what everyone is going through, right? So I didn't want to bother you with too much financial load. That's why I made it to be $299 for everything: the training, the project, the stable formula to make your, you know, cosmetic product to sell. So that's why we are different. So head over to naturalskincareschool.com. You may not understand what I'm talking about now on this video, but you get to know more as you get to the site. So that being said, how do I become, after your training? Don't just get trained and sit at home. Don't just get trained and just leave your product. Don't just get trained and just come on YouTube or other channel or TikTok and just be watching soap formulation video and just enjoying yourself. You get trained, okay, to make products, and it can be very, very tough if you don't know where to start. If you don't know where to start, join me at naturalskincareschool.com. Join my formulation project group. This is what I did. All of you that graduated from school, you have no clue where to start, right? Come and join me. We make skincare product by project by project. Join us and join our projects and continue to make great and stable product. And myself and my team will be there to offer you you know, side-by-side support along the way. That's what we do to, you know, help you. If you have any question, that's why a lot of people ask me questions that are so practical on this channel. I cannot give you 100% answer. But if you are one of my students at Natural School, of course you have enrolled, you are now one of my mentees. So our support staff, including myself, will answer your inquiries, and we will help you along the line. That's why Natural Skincare School is different. So how do I start? Head over to Natural Skin School, just click the sign up button, and from there you will see access to a lot of information that you cannot find online. A lot of conflicting information on how they wish. Myself and my team, our content developer, have done brilliant job at Natural Skincare School. A lot of people want to learn cosmetic formulation. So this is my last talk. Before I close tonight, I want you to come back to this video, and it's going to change your life. If you want to learn cosmetic formulation and you do not want to pay, you're just wasting your time. Basically, you're wasting your time. For us to develop the site, it cost us money. It didn't cost us $0. It cost us, you know, thousands of dollars to develop the site, and it's still costing us for maintenance. So you want to learn cosmetic formulation and you are saying, no, I don't want to pay, I just want it for free. No. I understand there are a lot of trial and error sites out there. I don't want to mention names, but they are messing you up because just trial and error. No. We develop our formula with industry experts, including one dermatologist. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's where you will get it right. You know, most skincare brand that uses dermatologists are doing really, really well. So I'm going to end this here. To become a great cosmetic formulator, get trained. Okay, get trained. Join a formulation group. Okay, make sure the formulation group that you join is not the trial and error one. The ones that have been clinically tested, that especially if there's a dermatologist in the group. That's what stands naturalskincareschool.com out. And you know what, by the time you finish your training, if you have not been trained, and you go through all the cosmetic formulation project, you will know by then that you have everything within you to become great. Do not join those that just want to learn cosmetic formulation with trial and error. I don't encourage that. So that's the 3 key ways to become a great cosmetic formulator. And now, after getting trained, you've been training, you've been doing product, don't just run right away to start selling product. I always recommend to myself at least set apart 6 months of full-time, you know, training. After the training, full-time formulation project. Make sure you formulate. Use your project, get tester maybe from your family, send it to them, let them use it. Okay, and you know, by using them, they will give you feedback on how the thing is working for them, and through that you yourself will have better idea of what you are doing wrong and what you are doing right. So keep that in mind as you go ahead with your formulation project and you plan to launch your skincare. Most of my students launch their skincare line within a year, 2 months, you know, a year and 2 months, and I think that's the range I noticed. For people that are serious, they launch, but people that just want to rush, they may even want to start the second week. Doesn't make sense. Okay, you have to get trained, you have to know the product, send it to tester. If you cannot afford the clinical trial tester, send it to tester, family member, friends. Tell them to test your product and get back to you, and you to use it yourself. You understand? That's about it. This is a channel for you to learn tips and tricks for starting your skincare line and for making skincare. So click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. Want to learn cosmetic formulation? Head over to naturalskincareschool.com. Thanks for watching.